birthday, Elder Lacarnale! We miss you!
Happy birthday, Elder Lacanale, on behalf of the State Presidency. Sana masaya ka ngayong birthday mo yan sa mission.
Elder Lacanale, namiss ka na sa temple. Wala rin na magaling doon na temple worker doon. Anyway, happy birthday and just do your best sa mission.
Galingan mo dyan. Galingan mo dyan.
Okay?
Hello, Elder! Elder Lacanale, kamusta?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Elder! Good health!
Sana lagi kang strong and precise sa mga sa mga endeavors mo diyan sa field, and alam namin na mag-successful na na missionary. At pag-uwi mo, welcome.
Okay.
I wish all the best na experience dyan sa field. And
Okay.
God bless always.
Happy birthday! Hug-hug ni Mama Sister. Love you, anak.
Happy birthday, Elder Lacarnale! One sentence. We love you! Happy birthday, Elder Lacarnale! We wish you a happy birthday. And a birthday.
Hi, Elder. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy mo yung araw mo ngayon. Okay?
Happy birthday, Elder Jeremy.
Good morning, Elder Lacanale. Happy birthday, and wish you luck in your mission so that you could accomplish your 2 years serving in God's field. Good luck po.
Hi, Elder Jeremy. Elder, kamusta? Well, continue to do your mission because every minute is very important. One day, yung 2 years mo na yan, you'll say it's the best 2 years of your life. So we're always praying for you. We're always thinking of you. We love you. So rock out, okay? And baptize more people to come unto Christ. Happy birthday!
Brother Elder Jeremy, namimiss ka na ng buong Muzon Ward. Happy birthday in behalf of this presidency. Namimiss ka namin and keep up the good works.
Happy birthday, Elder Lacanale. Shout out.
Hi Elder, kamusta ka na?
Birthday na kasi
Birthday
Ay, happy birthday!
compilation sa akin
Happy
sa
birthday,
YouTube
Elder.
presidency. Ay, thank you,
Galingan mo
President.
dyan.
Happy birthday, Elder!
Hello Elder, happy birthday. Naway maging masaya ang araw mo ngayon and mag-ingat ka dyan palagi. God bless.